This assessment asks us to draw the arrow pushing mechanism to show how the products on the right form from the reactant on the left. What we notice in this reaction is that we start off with a carbon-chlorine bond that is no longer there in the product. Chlorine has pulled 2 electrons away from that carbon to become Cl-. Remember that Cl- now has 4 lone pairs of electrons, where chlorine in the starting material only has 3. The fact that chlorine picks up a new lone pair of electrons while at the same time this carbon-chlorine bond breaks tells us that this mechanism can be represented this way, with the chlorine simply taking its pair of electrons and leaving to form Cl-. What happens to carbon in this case? Carbon is neutral. When those 2 electrons are pulled away, now carbon has a positive charge. You'll note that in this reaction, the charge is balanced on both sides of the equation. The neutral molecule on the left, a positive and negative total neutral molecules on the right. So the sum of +1 and -1 makes the right side neutral, as is the left side. That's going to always be true for reactions we study in organic chemistry.